Welcome to another Wasp3D tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to create floor reflections using the Deflector Plane and render texture. To begin, click on the Deflector Plane icon in the toolbar at the top of the viewport. This will add a deflector plane to your scene. Now, it's important to position the deflector plane exactly at the same location as your floor. To do this, drag the transform icon from the floor object and drop it onto the transform icon of the deflector plane. This process copies the transformation properties of source object to the destination object. Once done, hide the deflector plane. Next, click the M icon in the material column of the floor object to open its material. In the texture pool, click the RT icon to create a new render texture. In its parameters, enable reflection and set mirror plane to the deflector plane you added earlier. Next, in the parameters of floor material, place the render texture on texture stage 2 and change its mode from texture to mirror. In the hierarchy pool, right-click on any object that should be visible in the reflection. Navigate to Render and check on Render Texture 1. Repeat this for all relevant objects. Return to the floor material to fine-tune the reflection. You can adjust opacity to control intensity, modify MIP level to apply blur to the reflection. The Wasp3D Xpress package includes a built-in assets library, which contains ready-to-use reflected floors. To access the assets library, go to Favorites Pool by clicking this icon or press F12 on keyboard. In Favorites Pool, go to Floor Reflection in Designer category. Drag any floor asset into the scene. A pop-up window will open. Select Create. Select all the object which needs to be reflected and set their render to both back buffer and render texture 1. It can be seen that the objects are visible in the reflection on the floor. Now, reposition the reflection group. You can also go to the floor reflection material and adjust its parameters to modify the reflection. And that's it. You've now learned to create and control floor reflections in Wasp3D. We'll continue to learn more about advanced techniques to adjust reflection in tutorial How to Create Floor Reflection Advanced. Thanks for watching, and keep designing smarter with Wasp3D.